what drives this decision and push this decision for me and for us, for me and my wife, actually, is the property taxes increase. It's been going crazy post-COVID. The insurance rate post-COVID has been going crazy because of the suppliers, as you all know. So I'm paying a lot more tax and insurance on the same house that I enjoy and love and I built myself, but now it's cost me more money. But this is the transition that we are shifting down. I am big believer, and I'm gonna do it, inshallah, with God's will, is we're gonna shrink down for budget-wise, math-wise, waste of resources that you don't need, and we'll see our kids. We'll find other ways. There's a bunch of hotels around us, a bunch of Airbnb around us. They can do that, and we can be together.